students, welcome to AJ Akshar Academy YouTube channel. In this session, I am going to discuss laws of motion. In this, momentum. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel. Please share your valuable comments in the comment section. Momentum. Let us discuss. It is denoted by letter P. The motion of a body is represented by two physical quantities in dynamics. Those are momentum and kinetic energy. Now, when two stones of different masses dropped from the same height on a vehicle, which will cause greater damage. Obviously, the larger stone causes greater damage. Why? Because larger stone with greater mass applies greater force even though both stones have same velocity when they touch the ground. Okay. Next. If two stones of same mass from different heights dropped on a vehicle, which one causes greater damage? The stone falling from greater height produces greater damage because the stone falling from a greater height will have larger velocity and it applies greater force. If two stones of different masses are dropped from the different heights on a vehicle, which causes more damage? The stone of larger mass dropped from the greater height causes greater damage since its product of mass and velocity is larger. So, now let us discuss momentum. Momentum of a body is defined as the quantity of motion contained in it. It is measured as the product of mass and velocity. So, momentum is measured as the product of mass and velocity. It is denoted by letter P. So, if mass of a body is m and velocity is v, then its momentum is P is equals to m into v, product of mass and velocity. So, P is equals to mv, P nothing but momentum. Now, let us discuss units of momentum. Momentum P bar is equals to m into v bar. In system, gram centimeter per second or gram centimeter second inverse. In SI system, kilogram meter second inverse. So, its dimension formula of momentum is mLT power minus 1. Now, momentum is a vector quantity whose direction is in the direction of velocity. So, momentum is a vector quantity. Its dimension formula is mLT power minus 1. Now, Newton's second law of motion. According to first law of motion, if no external force acts on a moving body, then it moves with uniform velocity. So, if no external force acts on a body, its momentum remains constant. Hence, when the momentum of a body changes, the body must be under the action of a net external force. Newton's second law of motion states that rate of change of momentum of a body is directly proportional to the net external force acting on the body and takes place in the direction in which the force acts. Now let us discuss MCQs. Momentum is the product of mass and acceleration, the product of mass and velocity, the product of mass and displacement, the product of mass and speed. Momentum is the product of mass and velocity. Momentum is defined as the product of mass and velocity of the body. So momentum is the product of mass and velocity. Okay. Next, second one. If two stones of same mass from different heights fall on a vehicle, which one causes greater damage? Stone from greater height, stone from less height. Both A and B are correct, and none of these. Stone from greater height causes greater damage. So here, if two stones of same mass from different heights dropped on a vehicle, which one causes greater damage? The stone from greater height produces greater damage. So first option is correct. Now third one. What is the dimension formula of momentum? ml square t power minus 2, ml t power minus 2, ml t power minus 1, ml power minus 1 and t power minus 1. So here among these four, which one is correct dimension formula of momentum? ml t power minus 1. Okay. Here its dimension formula is ml t power minus 1. So the dimension formula of momentum is ml t power minus 1. Thanks for watching this video.